Hello and welcome back to the Game Ready Character Creation series. In this episode, I'm going to talk about the retopology process in Blender. Before I do that, we need to export the model from the zebra to the Blender to start retopologizing it. You can just export it normally and like choosing the export setting from the zebra. But if you have many subtools in this, it will be a very tedious process. So the method I use it, the add-on called the copy. So the add-on allows you to export the model from the zebra directly into the Blender. The installation of it is not that much different from any other add-on installation. Also, you can find many tutorials about it online. So I will just show you when we export model from zebra into Blender. So when we just press all, everything from this scene will be exported into Blender. When we press it import, here you can see the model from the zebra is in the Blender right now. So I will just plug it all and right click and smooth it out like that. And then we can start the retopology process in Blender. So for the retopology process, the add-on I use it something called the Retopoflow add-on. This is they will make the retopology process very easy for me. So I would encourage you to check it out, and we will also get into it right now. So when we install the retopology and Retopoflow add-on, it will give you tab like this, and then we can start the retopology process by choosing the edges of cursor. And mostly I will just choose a cursor. So it will create another new retopol mesh around at this cursor. Okay, so I will just press cursor. Okay, and so before we start the retopology, what I want to turn on is this symmetry setting. So we only have to do the retopologies for just for one side. So just let's say 8, okay, and you will start to see this symmetry bar in the middle of our 3D model. So we can start doing our retopology. And when I do retopology with the Retopoflow add-on, I mostly use only like 3 or 4 of these options. And first one is control. It will allow you to draw a line on your 3D mesh, and it will create a poly loop around the lines you have drawn. So I will show you. You have to press Ctrl to draw the line. Okay, press Ctrl and then draw a line maybe around the M like this. Okay, as you can see, it created a kind of like a button loop around it. You can increase or decrease the button count here by pressing Shift and then scrolling your mouse wheel. Okay, and as you scroll it up, the amount of button seed in the polygon will increase. And if you scroll it down, the amount of button seed in the loops will decrease. So I would like to keep it raw, like 10, because this is a fairly simple character. We don't want to add many polygons around it to make this takes it back. We will keep it 10 buttons, and then we will just draw another line here like this. Okay, it will automatically create poly loop from it. Okay, and then we can just start making it line like this to create the poly loop. Okay, as you can see. And another tool I would like to do is loop tool. This will add poly loop around another loop around our mesh, just like a loop tool from the original ZBrush, original planner. So we can press Control. We have to press Control to edit, and we can choose the position using our mouse, and then just click on the position you would like to add the loop like this. Now we have a loop for the elbow. Okay, and now we are going to create another poly loop for our tail. Okay, so we are going to start the contour tool again and draw a line like this. Also for the tail, I would like to keep the poly pattern count like 10 or 12, and then 12 will be fine. So I will just draw another lines and create the tail with the bow more like this. Then I'll just keep it round here. So if you can something wrong, just press Ctrl Z to enter it, just like any other program. So now we got two loop, one for the end and one for the tail. Now we are going to create the one for the duck. Okay. Then you have to remember to deselect the selected geometry. Now I selected this pattern loops. We can press A to accelerate. Okay. And then we can draw a pattern loops using the contour tool around our left. Okay. So I will stick the polygon at 10 by pressing Shift and scrolling the mouse wheel. Okay. You can control the amount of buttons using scrolling the mouse wheel and pressing Shift. And we are going to draw another line here, here, and here. And we will go to the front and we will go back like this, like this, see like this. Okay. And at that point, it's start to go to the other side. So I will just start at the previous loop. Okay. And now I'm going to introduce you to the another tool, which is called Relax. It will relax and smoothen out your polygon by pressing on it. As you can see, all the polygons are smoothed out right now by using the Relax tool. Okay. Now we are going to select our buttons by pressing A, and then we are going to draw the loop around our character map by selecting the contour tool and draw a line like this. And I will keep it at maybe 12 and draw another line like this and like this. As you can see, it's pretty easy. And the hard part will come when we are trying to connect all the loop using another tool. For now, it's pretty straightforward, and you just have to choose the loop and put the shins and start drawing loop around that. Okay. I will also draw loop for the chat area by using contour tool. Okay. If we draw a line like this, it will connect from this loops to the bottom. We don't want that, so we will select it by pressing A. So I will draw a loop around here like this, and then we will also keep it up like square. Another one. Okay. I think at this point we can start connecting our polygon for the Retopology and manually using another tool. This time we are going to use something called the polypen. Okay, select this one there, and we will close this part by selecting this edge there, and we will draw some polygon manually. So to draw this, you have to press down the control button like this there. So we would like to keep all polygon four-sided as possible. We don't want some triangles or angle like that. We only want polygon. Another possible. So I will draw another polygon here like this. Then we can connect these two edges also using the polygon tool. Grab control and select this edge, and we can connect it. Also the same for this edge here. Also the same for this one. Okay. And maybe not just we can create polygon with the polygon tool. We can also move around on individual polygon using this one. Okay, you can just move around it. Okay, and to move the patterns of polygon around, you have to press G key. I think it's the same with the move shortcut in the default Blender. So press G to move around. So what we will do right now is we will draw some polygon along the type like this. I would like to make a loop from here to here. Okay. This okay. Also, we can connect this edge to this edge for the D and make it flow like that. So we have to close this part by pressing it, by selecting this one and close it like that. Okay. Okay, now we got the triangle around here, so we don't want this. What we can do right now is using another, not another tool, the tool we have introduced before, the loop tool. So we will add it loop here at this polygon. Okay, now it will separate it into two polygons, and then we can just move the button here by pressing G key to move, and then just close it. Now our mesh made an just purely polygon, and then we can just start it to close every polygon around our chest and stomach. Okay, we will draw another polygon around here like this, and we can close this one, and we will get another polygon here. And then for a simple creator like this, we don't have to worry too much about the topology flow, something like that. So this is going to be a very low poly character. So, and we'll just load the loop and close the polygon from the parent. Okay. Now got the lower body ready except for the toes. So I will also retopologize this one. Okay, and I'll just go to the bottom view and draw a line with the contour tool, and I will keep the data scale at 6. Then that will be enough for a low poly character like this. Then we will draw and line like this. Okay, drag it to deselect, and then we will also do the same for the next tool. We will give it a 6 data scale, and we will just this one. And save. We would like to keep the model very consistent with its polygon. Okay, and this looks good. Now we'll do it. Maybe we can connect these two edges with another polygon, and by choosing the polygon tools. Okay. Maybe we can connect these two edges with another polygon like this. Okay. Also do the bottom part of it. Then we will connect this edge from the feet and to the toes like this. Okay. You can just move it around to keep it consistent. With this. Now we just have to close this part. Okay. We will just draw some polygon manually, and we have to we can try to match the polygon from the upper part, and then we can just connect everything. Sorry, everything like this, and sometimes the retrieval flow, I don't know, gives you the issue like that. Okay, connect everything like that. Okay, and maybe we can add another loop around here. Okay, then this will be the loop for the feet. Okay, now we can move topology around here, and then we can use the relax tools to spread out the polygon evenly to make the mesh very relaxed. Okay, then look great. Then we can just close the bottom part by drawing some polygon manually. Okay, sorry, like that. That make it loop from this to this. Okay, great. And now let's do the disk of the tools. Send polygon. And make sure to select the edge instead of the vertex. Okay. Select the edge there. Close it. Like that.